Hi guys, hope everybody is doing great today. So today I'm gonna cook phall. It's called as pepper chicken too. So I'm gonna give a little twist. I'm gonna add little different spices and different way of cooking. So watch my video till the end and subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Cheers! So these are ingredients. So what we'll do now is we'll put all onions in this and we're gonna grind this up. Mint leaves and coriander leaf and then chilies and last pepper. So we're gonna grind this and let's go start. So let's get start cooking now. So we'll put 3 spoons of oil. So we'll add onions, 1 chopped onion, and rest of the onions we're gonna grind it. So we're gonna use 1 onion in this and make it golden brown, and then we'll add our masala. In this 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, then you can see we grind this, so we're gonna add this now. So we will fry this for 3 minutes. So we'll add turmeric 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. So coriander powder 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna give gaps of 1 minute with each masalas. Now we'll add garam masala 2 pinches. That's it, not more than that. So we'll add chicken now. Now mix it well. So we add water now. It's just a little bit, not much. So now we're gonna let this up and leave this cook for 15 minutes till the chicken is cooked well. Let's see how it's come. So now we cooked it for 15 minutes and then we're gonna add tomato puree in this. So now it's ready. So let's take it in a bowl. So now you can see how amazing it looks. So you definitely have to try this and give me a feedback. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.